Hi guys, I'm here and today I'm going to make a huge slime bubble. So to make the perfect slime bubble, you roll your slime into a ball like this, kind of flatten it, get an umbrella, remove that, and just poke it in the middle like that, and smooth out that hole if you made one, and then you spread it in the back, make sure it sticks to your surface, and stretch it. And if that happens, the big hole, try again. Like this. And just plop it on your surface and stretch and plop. So push down on the edges and there's your bubble. If that doesn't work, what you can do is spread it out, blow into it here, and then seal it, and then a bubble will appear. As you can see right here, I just blew it and I sealed it back up by just pushing it down on my surface, and a big bubble appeared. And the bubble is pretty sturdy. Yeah, someone's skin is peeling. Well, that's all for today. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it, like, subscribe, and comment down below what videos you want to see. Bye!